Very good evening all. This is Praveen Kumar from Zebu and Management Strike Limited, and this session is about post-market closing session. How the market did today, and whether the support or break on or resistance are broken, and how the Nifty and the Bank Nifty have given a good move today, and how about the option trading. Likewise, the discussion we are going to be happen in this session itself. So morning itself, I have told you till 12:30 to 1:30 we can have a consolidated market. So after that we can have a little bit upward move. Depends on the European market opening. I have told. Though similar, it was happened likewise. But from the morning itself, I have clearly told that Nifty was strongly trading than Bank Nifty. I have told. Compared with Bank Nifty, Nifty was stronger. I have told in the morning. The similar it was traded, but afternoon the Bank Nifty had a good rally towards Nifty's movement we have seen today. So we will see how the market did today likewise. So coming to the point of world, that is global cues. Global cues in the sense Asian markets, some of the Asian markets are closed nearly 0.45 to 0.27 likewise it was closed, and SGX Nifty is trading around 150 points of positive trading. It's happening at around 18,092. It's trading 0.84% change. That's an upward move. But European market, if you see, European markets all started with a flat upward move, that is flat bullish mode. It was open and it is trading on a good way. It's around 0.28% and 0.47%, 0.60% respectively. So our market, if you see, morning itself we have told you that Nifty future have opened with around 80 points of gap up opening we have seen in the morning. From 18,045 level it was open. From there the high made towards 18,123 and the low towards 18,032. Whatever the resistance or support we have discussed in the morning, whether it was happened or not, we will see now. That is Nifty future. For Nifty future, I have clearly told that 18,035 resistance is there. If 18,035 was broken, then 18,070 and 18,105 to 145 resistance is there. I have told you. But if the Nifty strongly broken, then resistance of 18,145 to 18,146 level, then we can have a move towards 18,230 to 300 level. I have told you in the morning. But from there, that is 18,045, it moved towards the value of 18,123 made high, and it closed around 18,107. So the movement was Nifty is a pakka bullish from the morning. But if you see about the Bank Nifty morning, it was open around 40,850. That is on yesterday's close, that is 40,673. It was closed 180 points of gap up opening we have seen. From there, the high made towards 40,986 the high, and the low is around 40,783. So compared to Nifty, the Bank Nifty was consolidated more till the European markets open. If you see about Bank Nifty's movement, I will show you the chart in a later session. Now we can go with the sectoral wise movement and what are the company's news likewise. So on discussion with the company news, any news and all important news, if you ask me, yes, GPT Infra company wins an order worth around 173 crores. That company's market cap around 300 crores. So how the GPT Infra did today, if you see, I will tell you. GPT Infra moved towards 20% of upward movement we have seen in GPT Infra today. It was open around 97.50 open and high made around 115.20. Whether this news impact the GPT Infra, yeah, it's around 20% positive mode given. So this is a good news for them. Then any other news further, if you ask me, yes, government are likely to announce a calibrated correction in windfall gains, that is tax levies, in next few days, that is in CNBC 18. We have got this news likewise. Then Lupin company received the Health Canada approval for RIMT likewise. Then Cipla, if you see, Indian government includes nicotine replacement therapy, nicotine patch gum in Nilam, that is it's an essential list likewise. likewise. Then Zydus Life Science Company receives an approval from US FDA for Lenderline capsule. It's a big US sale, that is around $3 billion. It's a sales in the US. Then Adani Enterprises. Adani Enterprises defense offers to develop a held-class armed UAV Indian Defense Research Wing, likewise. Then EKI Energy Services Company lists a first ever plastic project from India with Verra, likewise. Then MOU of signing done today by Gujarat government with Vedanta and Foxconn. Yesterday we have told you the deal with that Foxconn and all. Then Endurance Tech block deal, that is BSE block deal, have happened at rupees 90.6 crores worth of shares, around 6 lakh shares at the rate of 1510. And DLF Limited around NSE block trade have happened around 41.29 crores or for the shares around 10,09,663 shares with the rate of 408.9 price. This is the major news we have seen for today. And the sectorial wise movement, what are the sector have given a good move towards. We have seen a bullish market today. So it was around Nifty was moved towards 133 points positive, and Nifty Bank is around 299 points positive closing we have seen. So according to that, the sectoral wise movement, if you see, Nifty Bank is around 0.74% positive movement, and Nifty Financial Services around 0.91% positive movement, and then Nifty FMCG is around 0.75% positive movement we have seen. And some of the cases, it's in Nifty IT is around minus 0.05%, and PSU Banks is around minus 0.01%. Then Nifty Realty is around minus 0.18%, and Nifty Oil and Gas is around minus 0.15% respectively. This are that is what are the gainers in sector wise and losers in sector wise we have seen. Top gainers company in Nifty and top losers company in the Nifty, if you see around Bajaj Finserv is around 4.74% positive movement given today, and Tata Consumer Product 2.85% positive, and IndusInd Bank 2.18% positive, then Britannia 2.16% positive, then Bharati Airtel is around 1.88% positive movement. These are the companies for top gainers list. And top losers, if you see, Shree Cements is minus 0.85%, and the Cipla is around minus 0.72%, then Eicher Motors is minus 0.54%, then Divi's Lab minus 0.53%, then BPC is around minus 0.47% respectively. This is all the top losers company in Nifty we have seen for today's movement. Okay, coming to the market movement, I will show you the Nifty chart for your reference. Yes, Nifty future chart I will show you. Yes, how Nifty have opened today from yesterday's close and how the movement have gone today. Likewise, we will see. For your reference, I am showing you 15 minutes candle, and I will share you for 2 days movement, that is yesterday's movement and today's movement. If you see this movement, it's like a similar, that is little bit similar whatever yesterday's movement I have given, that today movement also little bit similar what we are seeing, but some consolidation have happened here. If you see this level, we are seeing some consolidation. Yes, here on some consolidation we are seeing, and also here also some consolidation we are seeing. Yes, that's closing because Nifty was bullish from the morning. We have seen that 9 to 9:15 to 9:30 candle itself, the high it's around 18,069 and low is around 18,032. The next 15 minutes candles high is around 18,086 is the high. So if we would have gone long after 18,087 and with the stop loss of 18,032, the stop loss are never taken here, and it went up to the level of 18,123.35 is the high. So if they would have gone long, means we can tap around 40 points likewise in Nifty future. But if you see about the resistance part where we have discussed after 18,070 itself, you see here 18,071 resistance I have discussed in the morning. If 18,071 some of the people have gone long, means then they would have tapped minimum 50 points of Nifty futures. So this is the movement of Nifty future. And if you see about the Bank Nifty future, yes, I will show you the chart now. For your reference, 15 minutes candle I am showing you, and from yesterday's movement until today's movement I will share. Yeah, whatever the movement of yesterday and today, we are having a little bit similar view, but some changes have happened. Some changes have happened in the sense some the bullish and bearish trend consolidation have happened. If you see in this is a today's move where the consolidation has happened here. This is the way some consolidation move have happened. Yes. After that, it got moved towards after this doji candle at around nearly 1 to 130 level. So after that, the market gone bullish level to Bank Nifty, I am saying. So if the Bank Nifty candle based analysis, if we are moving where the long position we can take, likewise in 15 minutes candle, first 15 minutes candle high is around 40,866 and the second 15 minutes candle is around 40,898. So after that second candle, if they would have gone long with the stop loss of 40,783, then the profit would have been around 100 points, nearly 100 to 100 points, 120 points nearly they can make profit without hitting the stop loss, I say. So if the candle based analysis given this movement, but resistance part, if you see where the resistance is there, 40,877 resistance is there. If 40,877 are made list, then we can go a long trade in Bank Nifty future. Then it will move towards the 40,986 level, nearly 120 points or 116 points of more upward rally we have seen in Bank Nifty future. So this kind of movement whether helped in option trading, if you ask me, yeah, little bit, not that much. If you see Nifty 18,000 call option, because this kind of consolidation movement we should enter into that or deep in the money or in the money we need to enter. We should avoid at the money or out of the money for option trading. So here I am taking into that 18,000 call option, Nifty 18,000 call option strike I am taking into consideration. It was opened around 113 and went high up to the level of 153 with a low of 103. So nearly 50 points move we have seen here. I will show you through chart. Nifty 18,000 call option I am showing you. For your understanding, 15 minutes candle I am showing you today's movement. Yes, yesterday the low made 83.4 and closes around 90. It was closed above the Fibonacci number. Then today the gap up we have seen at 113 and low towards 103 in first candle itself. So whenever we would have bought around 113 to 125 also, we can make profit till 153, around 25 to 30 points we can cap the upper band. So this much of minimum level profit we can earn. Morning itself I clearly told you this kind of consolidation movement we need to book minimum level profit and we need to watch the market. That's it. So we should not wait for a huge profit or huge points to cover. So this kind of option movement we are seeing in Nifty. But if you see in option movement in Bank Nifty, I will show you 40,900 call option in Bank Nifty. Yes, this is for also 15 minutes candle. How consolidated move, how double side move happened in 40,900 call option. If you see here, yes, nearly it was opened around 259.9 and went high up to the level of 278. That's it. After that it gone towards a low of 221 and from 221 it takes the support and went up to the high level of 289, nearly 70 points, 70 to 75 points. That's it. So if we have tapped this movement in call option, means we need to tap minimum 25 to 30 points or 40 points on average. That's it. So this is the movement for call option. The same for put option. If you see 40,800 put option I am showing you. This is of 15 minutes candle and yes, The option writer who is very confident on the market that this is a premium meeting session, likewise they would have shot the market at 398, the open itself the high. Whenever they are short the market, that is they are writing this 40,800 put at 398.75, the low made towards 236. This is the low, so nearly 160 points they can tap while writing this 40,800 put. So this is a writer's market we are seeing. So we can when whoever write the market of 40,800 strike, they can tap the points of 160 points, they can able to tap. So this is an option what we are seeing. Okay, coming to the point of tomorrow, how we can expect for Nifty and Bank Nifty to be open for tomorrow. So I am expecting some high, that is a gap up movement can happen, or a flat market can happen, because European market open today is a flat market, then it is in the consolidated mode. So if the European market is closed in a flat mode, then US market is opening in a negative or flat positive also, our market can open on a flat note, then we can have a consolidated market tomorrow. So tomorrow consolidated market, in a sense, some consolidation may happen within 10:30 to 11:30, then we can have a one side market towards the rally about the Asian market also. So I am seeing that our market to go beyond 18,152 to 30 rally we can expect for tomorrow for Nifty, if the world market supports, or if the world markets are not supporting, means we can expect a rally towards 17,850 to 930 level we can expect. This is Nifty movement I am showing you. But Bank Nifty, we can expect tomorrow it can cross around 41,000 or 41,200 level, or if the global cues are not supporting, then we can expect the rally towards 40,500 to 400 level, also a possible level. But my view is that it's a bullish market we can expect for tomorrow. So this is my view I am sharing you. If you want to trade with this level, you can discuss with your wealth managers or advisor for your trading, or else you comment on a comment box, we will be reverting you on it. And thank you for watching this session. Have a great day. Thank you.